This is the 4-pack of toner by Cool Toner. This is for the Brother 3140 CW color printer machine right here. These are 3 of them. I just had to use one inside here. I just needed the yellow right here, so the yellow is the new one. This is what it looks like right here. Just fits in just like the OEM cartridges. This is actually my second time buying these. They last for a really long time. You don't really need to pick these up often. They do have a lot of good use out of these, but I like the fact that these are each individually wrapped because, as you know, with the color toner, you don't have to change them all out at once. Like today, we got to notice our yellow was out, so I was able to just add just the yellow in there, and I have the other 3 colors. But you can see here, they have the module right here that cinches right up into the drum. This perfect fit here. Basically, when you're going to be using these, they just have simple instructions right here. They just want you to shake the toner cartridge before you open it up. This way, if there's any, like if it's been sitting for a while, you just get some good movement. But as soon as you just close the lid right here, you'll just see it just sinks back up right away, and it just works perfectly. But if you're looking for some toners for this Brother HL3140 CW, this is absolutely what you want to pick up here. I'm very pleased with these. I think you're going to like them.